hotter, 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 hotter. What them a go do ya now? New link on the attack now. Hotter, hotter, bring a old trendsetter. New link, hotter, hotter, hotter.
This video is sponsored by Island Wide Express. If you've ever shopped online and wanted your packages delivered to Jamaica for free, create your free account today. You'll be able to shop from online retailers and have your packages delivered to your doorsteps in Jamaica for free. Members also get to ship letters and documents under £0.5 for free. Enjoy real-time tracking, text and email alerts, weekend deliveries, and several other benefits.
Bless up on yourself, viewers and subscribers. Don't know the thing, man. You don't know say attacking boss there, you know. New link. Well, people, honestly, wow. Boy, it's sad. Right now, me I come with a sad news, people. And when I hear me say sad news, a death me I come with, you know. You know what I mean? And a death me I go talk about now, people. And it is where a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force has lost his life. You understand? Pertaining to an accident from a motorcycle that he was traveling on yesterday. Because news has reached the New Link, people, is that this 29-year-old police constable, people, was on his way home up in a St. Andrew now, people, on his motorcycle when he managed to collide with a car. In the process, people, he received several injuries from the accident, which the occupant of the car, which is the driver, people, also received minor injuries. Both persons was taken to the hospital, people, where the police constable drop out. Him not make it. Which the other man, as me tell the people, driver, received minor injuries. It's sad, people, to know an officer has lost his life. And it wasn't one of the young bite them, people. It wasn't one of the big fat bite them. Look like one of them RR something there. You get me, I say? Which them a plan for banning, which them have a petition with them do the other day about the banning of the yang. But honestly, people, bike is really dangerous. Bike is a killer. Which I tell you, I would never ride a motorcycle. Never. Never. But honestly, there's a lot of things out there can kill us, people. You know what I mean? And in the process, me make up my mind because me know the circumstances, what a motorcycle can lead to, and me see what happened to people. Because just a couple of days before this police officer passed, I saw a video where two men get hit off a motorcycle and them dead like dog in the road with a truck. You know what I mean? So I know how serious this motorcycle thing is. It's not joke thing, it's not play thing, people. And I now risk my life with them motorcycle, something there. You get me? So in the end, if a man know the consequences of what this motorcycle can lead to people, you know how dangerous it is, and he make up his mind say him want it, honestly, so be so done. See? It's there, and motorcycle ride all over the world. You know what I mean? All me can tell you them say leave it alone. Because when you go upon it, number one, you don't want speed with it. Next thing again, a lot of people who have the bigger vehicle them, it's not like them a look out and say, no, so one bike man good like come there, so them a drive anywhere without looking or concerning about a motorcyclist. Zine? And that's how most time you hear some man get lick off a bike. Luckily him live, but 90% of the time them dead. Which is sad, I mean, I want to say it. But they are so dangerous, and it's just sad to know that a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, 29 years old, young youth, lost his life because of what? Motorcycle. And it's go all over the road because there are several other Jamaicans who are losing their lives. Same with a young youth from 18 go down there. So, you know what I mean? Half of them something what them call them bike, yang, RR 100, 500, 3,000, 1 million. Me no care which one, me no want none. Me say me no want none. I say to a friend, you know, I say, listen here, I'm not gonna say I would own a motorcycle, you know. Zine? But you see, if me own a motorcycle, to be honest with you, me I go have it in my garage, me wipe it on, me clean it on, me look on it every day and say, bossy, me go on it and take picture and put it on Instagram and put it on Facebook, but you not go see me and ride it. Zine? And why sense that make when me spend much money? If you buy, if you do, if you seize up, and someone waste money, so me don't need it. Honestly. But if a man decides, say, him want it, see it there? Just like how the youth them out there bust the gun and you tell them know the consequences, so listen, you turn gunman, police are go kill you or other gunman are go kill you. But they make up their mind, so what? They then go out there on the tar and go get slapped out. Then they get the warning. So listen, man. I'm not gonna say it again, like say bike for ban or them for do this with it. You know what I mean? But there's consequences where people need to learn. Leave it alone. That's all I can say. Leave it alone. If you decide you want to take it up on your hair, leave it. Your choice. But for me no want it. So you don't know, people, I just want to send out my deepest condolences to the family of this young Jamaica Constabulary Force member. You understand? And to everyone who lost their life on these things what them call bikes in a Jamaica. Everyone. It's sad, people. Me know car kill people, but you know what the most gruesome thing is? To see the condition of a man when he do get hit off a bike. Yeah, man, car mash up people and do things to people. But look at, sometimes you see one foot there 1 mile on this. You see it gone there. You see, me even not talk about it. You like, oh my world, oh my precious. Wow, me no want none. I don't want any. Say, I don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, man. This is New Link, from New Link Production, people. And we say attack, and I just more love in the people and more respect and more blessings. And just be good and be safe out there. And listen, man, if you're not going to listen to the New Link and load the young, or load the bikes, them, listen, just be careful. Please, ride with care. Even though, as me telling you, say, we not ride with care, but other people out there not care. And use no gear them. Use every necessary gear one you want as a motorcyclist. Use them up. Everything we can protect you and help save your life, if anything. Peace out and respect. You don't know it's the attacking boss. New Link from New Link Production, man. And be good and be great and be safe. Peace out again. Island Wide Express people, them are the real deal. And here why me I tell you. You see before, but they are Jamaica, never travel yet. Seems like my last to walk one. Because I never know about online shopping. You know what I mean? And their prices always a lick me. But then I find out about online shopping with Amazon. You know what I mean? So much different one. eBay, just to name a few. Well, now people, with Island Wide Express, now with the Jamaica, we can do shopping online and get them shipped right our doorstep. Just with Island Wide Express. So you see, if I don't sign up yet, people, it's simple. The link that below the video, just click on it and go sign up, people. Yeah, Island Wide Express, people, because them are the real deal. And remember, people, you can pay with PayPal. You know what I mean? You can come so boom, people, and pay with your card. Even if you don't have card, people, them also have an account, an NCB account, and you can come so boom and lodge the money in them account at Jamaica. So you have so much ways with Island Wide Express, and you get the thing them deliver right here doorstep, people. Oh, can you miss this one? If you not do it, people, may I tell you, sorry for you, but big up on yourself, because I know I'm going to do it same way. Big up. Attack.